Weaving your ends using the duplicate stitch method means you will sew along your fabric, following the path of the stitched yarn. With your tapestry needle threaded, bring your needle from the back or wrong side of the fabric to the front or right side of your fabric at the base of the nearest V created by the knit stitches. Orienting the needle parallel to your rows of knitting, bring your needle behind the V of the row above. Next, insert the needle back into the bottom of the V, the same place where you began. You have now duplicated one stitch. To make your next stitch, bring your needle to the front again, at the base of the adjacent V. Run your needle behind the V of the row above. Pull your end though. Then bring the needle back through the hole at the base of the V below, where you began your second duplicate stitch. Continue in this fashion for a few more stitches or until you feel your end is secure. We are done. Happy knitting! Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.